Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday, Bitcoin came down to 92,500. You can see here, this is the overall chart going back all the way back to 70K. You can see the volume has been increasing. Volume predicts price. So volume is still strong and volume has been growing recently, which is good as we've come down to 92. Multiple touches on 92, 92, 92, 91, 600, 95, 91, 600, 95, 92, fluctuating a lot here. A lot of fighting for this position and the volume has been increasing. This guy went short on ChatGPT USDT, up 192%. I wouldn't short too much in a bull market. You can click here and join the Guru Chat in Telegram. Compound interest, this is one of the best quotes that I love very much. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world by Albert Einstein. Those who understand it reap it. Those who don't pay it. That's the full quote. What it means is that once you get a little bit of money, it starts to compound. If you keep adding to it, it compounds unbelievably well and you become very, very rich from small money. You have to really understand this and really protect your capital. That's why I always say rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two by Warren Buffett, don't forget rule number one. Wider diversification is only required when investors do not understand what they are doing. Warren Buffett. Very good quotes. You can join the Guru Chat in here. Just click on that link or in the description down below. 3.4 trillion market cap, 1 million viewers, Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up on your TV as well and watch these charts change and all this information. You get a 60K bonus on Bybit if you use this QR code or the link down below. Become a student, take the courses. 69, we're back in greed. We were in neutral yesterday, back already in greed. 52% dominance, funding fee positive, 94,600. And a lot of fighting at this area at the 92K. I would set orders down at 91 if you're not in it. I'm going to show you in the technicals. And volume is growing, which is exactly what we needed to see. Let's jump into my trades, the technicals on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Going in, my account sitting a little bit of a pullback from yesterday, 985. This week, I went from 960 to 177, and then it pulled back, and I lost those gains the last 3 days from 1.7 down to 985. Got a bounce back from 967 yesterday. Bitcoin, we came up to 95,000 just a few hours ago. 96 we almost hit. You can see my Bitcoin trades. My trade is still in positive because I added trades at 91,700 and 92. Funding fee slightly positive. Bitcoin trade $3,000 in the positive. It's a $469,000 trade. I added Bitcoin down here at 91. Ethereum not bouncing back as strong. Ethereum came back to 3,322 and then pulled back again. You can see where I've been buying Ethereum. It's down 10,000. I bought at even 3,155 on the lows, but it is slightly still in the negative. It's quite a big trade as well, a $352,000 trade. And the funding fee for Bitcoin is slightly positive, so paying a little bit of fees. MCRT slightly down, Uniswap up 6%, big bounce back on Uni. World up 2%, little bit of a bounce back. Doge up 3%, strong bounce on Doge. Let's go into the technicals. Going into the technicals on Bitcoin, on the 4 hourly, on the weekly, we have 2 days remaining. 1 day, 23 hours remaining on the week. The candle is still a red candle for this week, which is a bearish engulfing candle. We need to get a recovery on the weekend. Would be good to see for us to continue the bull market. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy now. You get it in the crypto master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago. That was a good call. We have dropped since then. Now we're holding on the 92K area. Let's go closer onto the daily. Daily, we got that bounce that I was talking about. That was very important to get. We needed to get this bounce on this symmetrical triangle. Otherwise, if not, then this head and shoulders plays out and we drop massively. We got a little bit of that bounce on that symmetrical triangle with volume that follows through. So that's a good sign. Now we need to follow through. These symmetrical triangles, they build pressure, and break out the base of the triangle. So really need to get a continuous follow through the next few days. Target would be 112,000 if that does happen. 112,000 would be the target, which is the base of the triangle. If you haven't gone long yet, I would still take the trade. 91,200, stop loss 89,700, risking 1,400 to make 21,000. With 10x leverage would be 210,000. I would still take the same trade, and the stochastic is oversold. Now we need to see a follow through on the 4-hourly and the daily. We had volume spike. We had a bounce from 91,200 all the way to 95. Then a huge sell-off. Someone sold a lot of Bitcoin into that bounce, and then pushing up. On the 4-hourly, still that same pattern that we need to see play out now, this descending triangle to take us to 110,000. And I'm currently in the trade right now. World, a little bit of a bounce. Ethereum, 3249. We got a strong bounce on Ethereum, but then it sold off on the bounce. And same with Ethereum. We need to see a follow here through with volume. Volume is coming in. We need to see a follow through now. So descending triangle playing out, builds pressure, and breaks out target 4,300. So we're getting that follow through. I would still keep the trades at 3137, stop loss 3,000, take profit at 7,500, which is the overall bigger target of the bull run. Risk to reward is 34 times, risking $124 to make 4,300. With 10x leverage will be 43,000. We're getting some bounces and strong volume here. It keeps coming down to 3,166. That would be a good entrance. So this one, 3,160, tight stop loss. It either works or fails. And that's the trade. Risk to reward is 56 times, risking 76 to make 4,300. So these are very important moments for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is the weekend, which is not nice, because usually when the ETFs close, that's the time they use it to attack. So it would have been nicer actually to get strong bounces here and follow through. On the weekend, it could be weak a little bit, so we have to monitor it closely. However, Bitcoin is fighting that 92K and getting strong bounces there. Let's go into the Telegram. In Telegram, we have 220 of you online. There is no leverage on BitGet 200. Not sure what it means. 428%. This guy on TIA. Get Telegram Premium, and it will automatically change everything into your language. Bitcoin. People discussing. This is the Cyogyny has cost society billions. Very funny post. You can check it out. And you can see where Ethereum finally hits $5,000. Funny picture. And you can see everything that's happening in the Telegram. You can join them all in the description down below. Go underneath the video. 60K bonus with Bybit, the main exchange I use for trading. It's lowest fees and the best liquidity. Weex has a $200 sign-up bonus and 20K bonuses. $200 on sign-up for USA, UK, Australia. Bitunix is KYC free, 5,500 worldwide exchange. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. Join us in there and start trading. You can see some of the comments about people who've taken my courses. In the process of buying $2 million house, bought a Ferrari 430 Scuderia from following your gains. Is it worth? Yes, it's worth it. Took the other day and I've made some money and saved losses already using his methods. I'm 20,000 in profits. Amazing. You can check everyone, and there's like thousands of comments like this of people and their gains and their gains from you, which is beautiful. Also, join me on X. I've got 800 followers till I hit 100,000 on X. 9,200 people watched my video from a few hours ago. This Sidonomy. Anyone? I'd love to know I need to check how to pronounce it. Has cost society billions. Massive market manipulation crypto. They're using ETFs to attack the price, liquidate people, and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum cheap. Bitcoin acting weird. That was yesterday before we had that push up and then drop and then recovery. Interesting. There is a lot of manipulation happening right now in Bitcoin at the moment. That's my updates in the market. Everyone, hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to analyze any tickers. And right now it is the weekend, so be cautious. Have your orders set low. We need to get a follow through on Bitcoin and Ethereum to keep this bull market going. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.